Okay, so it can stay in a little longer, but I just need to hydrate it. Okay, so I'm gonna hydrate with, you know what? I never talk about the Kakadu Plum Chebe hair loss oil. Okay, it has Chebe powder in it, Kakadu Plum. Australian fruit has the highest amount of vitamin C. It has rosemary and orange peel seeds in it for even more vitamin C little mix there. It also has apple cider vinegar powder in it. Powder to help with your scalp and just exfoliating it. Hair vitamins, vegan biotin, vitamin C powder. I got a lot of stuff in it. So I'm just gonna go through here. And it's not, I mean, you can use any of my oils, to be honest with you. This one just has a high amount of vitamin C, so it can help rebuild. Like if you lost your edges. Because, honey, I done lost my edges before, okay? That's why I be like, if you ever see me in my videos, you see I target my edges. Because I got, like, PTSD from braids. That's why I really try my best not to get, like, a lot of individual braids and keep them in for a long time. Because there's nothing wrong with getting them, but keep them in for overly whatever. Too much sauce. Okay, so there we go. Some little hydration on it. All right. Or if you have like the aloe vera spray, sometimes I just go through and do a quick little little spray on it. Just to kind of like keep it refreshed. This does have methanol crystals in it, so you give it a scalp tingle, and it's peppermint scent. Just make sure you wash your hands after, and make sure if you use it on children that you're like really careful. Avoid obviously in your eyes, your nose, your mouth area. Just wash your hands, and I would highly recommend using this as a hot oil treatment. Okay, so disclaimer done. Okay, so let's go on to next section. So this section is pretty much done, and I'm just gonna go like section by section, obviously, and I'm gonna do the back like separate because it's kind of braided off in a certain way, but it feels so good. Oh, got a little rose. So you will get some like the herbs on your scalp sometime. Perfectly normal. Sometimes I just let it sit on there. Because why not? I think, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair flat ironed out for my birthday in a couple months. Because April, baby, where my Aries at? I think I'm going to go ahead and like get it pressed out to see how long it is. It's been 2 years now since I last got it flat ironed. So we should see. Get them edges, honey. That smell of peppermint, though. It smells so good. Damn, I made this one strong. I can feel it. Sometimes you may not, if you have a really thick scalp, like my scalp is like pretty thick, right? Because I've been like fenugreeking it up. Sometimes like you will feel a lot when you go outside. When that air like hit, you be like, ooh, okay, peppermint. So if you feel like you're not feeling it, go outside, get a little breeze on your scalp. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it. That's all I do while I got the crochets in. And then I'll most likely sit under the steamer for a little bit just to give it like that really good hydration. That's pretty much it. The edges going. If you got edges, say, hey. Look at this. Yeah, y'all be, be careful. So I be really oiling mine up because I ain't got time and I haven't been putting anything on here. So this is kind of how I do like a hot oil treatment on my hair while it's in crochet. So just help it like maintain the moisture, especially when you're taking down your hair and you got those, it's been a while, you got those nasty little knots and stuff in it. Like you want to make sure. Y'all know I'm known for long ass snaps, so just gonna skip through. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then now I'm gonna just go ahead and go on my back. So let me see if I can turn around and show y'all. So on the back, excuse my beady beads. I hope y'all can see. So going across. Hope y'all was able to see that. Okay, now we're gonna section off the crochets after putting the oil on there. Just gonna section it off. And then I'm just gonna twist the crochets. And then I'm gonna wrap the crochet around. And just go ahead and then the same thing. So I'm pretty much do like 4 sections and just twist the crochet around and just put it up. That's how you take care of your scalp, man. Scalp health is so important. Get your ends clipped every 8 to 12 weeks. Don't be one of the people like, I ain't about to keep cutting my hair. What are you talking about? You're clipping off the dead weight. Do you know when your hair feels like it's uneven at the bottom of your hair, your follicle would drop that hair, hence hair loss? It's science. It ain't nothing to do with how you feel. It's science. Okay, every 8 to 12 weeks, baby, you start getting your after every protective style you do, just get your beautician to clip your ends. And if you don't have a beautician that's telling you to clip your ends, you should change beauticians. Every beautician be telling you, hey, you need your ends clipped. They should tell you that. But then every beautician don't care about your natural hair either. If your beautician not telling you to clip your ends, you should think about that. Or you should at least be saying it. They should be telling you as professionals, you need your hair clipped every 8 to 12 weeks. Because mine do. She be on it. Okay. Alright, now that I gave y'all some life lessons, real hard. Alright, so this is what we doing. We taking this. Man, I got some bitty bead. Ooh, help me. Okay, man, my scalp feel amazing. It's like refreshed. Okay, so we're going to take this. We're going to wrap this around. And we're going to take a little blase. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, now you can either put like plastic caps on. I'm going to just do a little bit more in here. You can put like a couple plastic caps on and just like leave. Where my plastic caps at? Let me show y'all. Or you can do like a steamer. I got a steamer, but I don't know if I feel like sitting on that dang on a steamer right now. So maybe I do the plastic caps. Girl, look. I just can't even deal with it. I got little Rosemary in my hair. Okay. All right, y'all. So if you don't have any of the little, you can always just take some plastic bags that you got from the store and just cover your head. Okay. And then when you cover your head, you just want to like tie it. Who I'm rocking today? Walmart. Hey, Walmart. Hey. Cheap ass bag. Girl. Okay. I can't tie y'all. What's up? What's happening here? Okay, so go like this. Stretch them out. Okay, there we go. Now we working. I think that's a user error. What y'all think? Okay. Stop acting like I'm slow, y'all. Okay. So it's like this little part right here. My nail's too long right now. Okay. I don't like long nails. I'm gonna have them cut them. And I broke one. I don't even know what I was doing. And I broke it. Whew. So I do 2 bags. I usually use these, but because this crochet is so like bigger. Alright. Now we rocking Winco. Depending on where you are, you might not have a window. Like we don't Winco. We don't have an Aldi's here. But we got other little stores. Okay, y'all. So this is how you do it. This is how we do it. Females. Okay. So you're going to just leave this on. And then what you could do is you could take one of your scarves. 1 second. All right, y'all. That's my last video. I'm about to catch up on my FBI shows. Okay. Okay. So I just go ahead and take like a long scarf like this. And they make it bigger. I want to cover the entire head, you know. So I got these from Amazon. And you're gonna go like this. I don't like it on my ears at all. And then like this. And just tie it in the back or front, whatever you like. So I'm most likely gonna leave this in overnight, right? Because I want this to be like an overnight hot. I want it to be kind of be like an overnight hot oil treatment. So I'm just gonna leave this in just so my hair can really like, kind of like a self like steam type thing with the peppermint Chebe oil. Okay. So next is I have to do my daughter's hair, so that's why I'm not doing mine like a lot tonight, because I was gonna take it down, but I'm like, I gotta do her hair. I'm actually gonna be wand curling her hair for the first time. I'm super excited about it because after I do hers, I'm gonna try on mine. I've never done a wand curl before at all, so I'm gonna try it on her hair first. And so yeah, so stay tuned for the Snapchat on Kids 4C here. They telling me her hair not 4C, but I think it's 4C, but it's kinky. Okay. All right, y'all. So, ooh, y'all know I'm trifling, but I just want to show y'all. Okay, so this is my that peppermint smells good. Okay, so this is like outside. I mean, out after just keeping it in my hair for 2 days. It's still kind of wet. Don't mind if I do. And I feel like my scalp feel really, really hydrated. It better. Keeping it in. But, and my hair smell like peppermint. So, yeah. Super easy. Just to get your scalp moisturized. I'm very trifling. I am a lazy natural, y'all. So, I keep my stuff in for days, honey. I just let it sit on my hair. So, yeah. Now I feel like my scalp ain't gonna be itchy. Alright, so I'm loving how my scalp is feeling. It feels so refreshed. Because it was hard. Like, it was very dry. Like, very, very, very dry. So, I think I'm gonna keep it in for a little bit longer. But now my scalp feels real good. Because I was going to take it out because I felt like I needed to, like, scratch my damn head. Sometimes these, like, okay, here I got Rosemary. Sometimes these crochets, like certain brands, like, make your scalp itchy, you know? Like, if they touch in your hair, whatever. This one not so bad, but some of them make it real itchy. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, I'm keeping them up a little bit. Probably like another week or so. Yes, clean scalp. Oh, it feels so good. All right, and just to overdo it, I'm just take some aloe vera spray a little bit. Just give me a little bit of something in the head. Because, like, the oil and everything already kind of sunk in, you know? So now I'm just going to give it a little bit. This is literally how I be making my hair grow. I try my best to, like, really take care of my scalp in protective styles. Because this hair will cause friction on your hair, and it'll thin your hair. It be doing a lot. You got to be careful not to do too many protective styles. Man, this aloe vera spray. It's like my pores all open. Y'all gotta do it with that peppermint. Feel real good. Okay. That's all you got to do. Alright, y'all, now I just put this little scarf on. It's kind of like, that's it. So I can, like, keep it hydrated right here. I don't need my edges to be gone now. Okay, that's it.